What's the meaning of antibiotic? Antibiotic. 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 Antibiotic.
An antibiotic is a type of medication that is used to treat bacterial infections. It works by either killing the bacteria or slowing down its growth and reproduction. Antibiotics are commonly prescribed for various conditions such as urinary tract infections, pneumonia, and strep throat. The use of antibiotics has significantly reduced the number of deaths caused by bacterial infections throughout history. However, overuse and misuse of antibiotics can lead to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which can make future infections much more difficult to treat. Therefore, it is important to use antibiotics responsibly and only when necessary.